Hey everyone, today we're going to be taking a look at the SanDisk Extreme portable USB-C SSD. Let's see how this thing performs. Alright, let's jump into the unboxing of this. As you can see, this is being advertised as a high-speed portable SSD for photo and video editing with a read speed of up to 550 megabytes. They're also advertising water resistance. So we take a look at the SSD here. The outside is this dimpled plastic material, and the backside is kind of a soft touch material that could probably attract some lint if you were to keep it in a pocket. Also has a little hole at the top for like a carabiner if you were to keep it inside of your backpack. In the box, of course, you get the SSD, USB-C to USB-C cable, and a USB-C to USB-A adapter, as well as the instruction manual. Let's take a look at some benchmarks. As you can see here from our benchmarks using the Blackmagic software on the Mac OS side, as well as the ATTO or auto benchmarking tool on Windows, we're hitting pretty close to the advertised read speeds, and of course write speeds are going to be a little bit lower, so this is as expected. So a good use case for this portable disk would be to supplement your internal SSD, say on your MacBook. Here, just as a comparison, we're going to run the same benchmark tool within Mac OS to see how this performs against the internal drive. As you can see, of course, Apple is using a PCIe based NVMe drive, so performance is definitely be quite a bit better on the internal drive compared to this SanDisk Extreme. However, it's going to be a very close comparison to a SATA internal SSD, as you can see here. This drive is priced close to that of many entry-level bare PCIe M.2 SSDs, but for this price you are getting portability, water resistance, USB-C connectivity, and I think that's a fair deal. Alright guys, that wraps it up for today. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you again next time.